Checking your WordPress media usage is essential for managing your website storage, especially if you're on a hosting plan with limited space. Here's how you can check your media usage. Check media storage in the WordPress dashboard. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to yourwebsite.com/wp-admin and log in. Navigate to Media. In the sidebar, go to Media Library. This will display all the images, videos, and documents you've uploaded. View file information. Hover over any media item and click Edit. On the Media Edit page, you can view details like file size and dimensions. However, this doesn't show total storage usage. Use Hosting Control Panel to check storage. Access your hosting dashboard. Log into your hosting account. Check disk space. In the Control Panel, locate the disk space or storage section. This will show the total storage usage for your website, including all media files. Use a plugin. Install a plugin. Use a plugin like WP Optimize or Media Cleaner to get detailed reports on media file usage and optimize your media library.